A troubling trend, America's student test scores in crisis. The latest data on student test scores paints a worrying picture. Math and reading scores for 12th graders have been on a steady decline for years, hitting rock bottom on recent national assessments. This downward spiral started before the pandemic, and despite hopes for a recovery, the results are a stark reminder of the deep-rooted issues plaguing our education system. But here's where it gets controversial. The pandemic isn't solely to blame. The scores continued to drop even after schools reopened, suggesting a more complex issue at hand. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the numbers. These scores reflect the broader challenges our students and schools face daily. The declines in math and reading proficiency are a symptom of a larger problem. Policymakers had hoped for a rebound, but the results are a wake-up call. They highlight the pervasive struggles our educational institutions and students endure. From inadequate resources to systemic inequalities, the factors contributing to this crisis are multifaceted. So what can be done? It's time to have an open and honest conversation about the state of our education system. We need to address the root causes and find innovative solutions. Are we doing enough to support our students and teachers? Are our policies and funding models effective? These are the questions we must ask. Let's spark a discussion in the comments. Do you think the pandemic exacerbated existing issues, or is it a separate concern altogether? How can we ensure our students receive the quality education they deserve? Share your thoughts, and let's work towards a brighter future for our educational landscape.